Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will discuss fold and unfold. We create this path in Sheetmetal. If we want to unfold its one or two edge flanges, then go to unfold. And here, first of all, select fixed face. This one is fixed face. Select this. Either you can select the outer bend or you can also select inner bend. Then select OK. See here, it unfolds these two edge flanges. If we want to fold it, again same process, select fold, fixed face, this one, and here bend to fold, select this bend and this bend, select OK. This is simple unfold and fold feature in Sheetmetal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.